How to see Snapchat call history. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to see that, you can follow the steps. So go ahead and open up the Snapchat app onto your device. And once you are here at the top left corner of your screen, you should be finding a profile. You can go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, your profile appears, and at the top right corner of your screen, you should be finding a gear icon. You can go ahead and tap on it to open up your settings. After opening up your settings, you need to scroll down to the last and you should be finding an option called My Data. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, what you need to do next is select the data to include. Now from this given section of data, you need to scroll down and head over to the chat history option. And you need to go ahead and check mark this option. If you don't want other option, you can leave that. But if you want your call history, you can only check mark this chat history option. And then go ahead and tap on next. After tapping on next, you need to set up the date, range, and your email address. Just go ahead and do that from where you want your call history. And after you go ahead and tap on the submit option in the bottom right corner, you will be receiving the zip file of your call history, including all of your data in your email, and that's it. So that is how you access the call history of Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.